Go. Welcome back to Being Powered. Today we're going to be continuing on this HSP Racing Lacerea Nitro all-wheel drive car. That's a mouthful, but we got to get some ripping in. We broke it in last episode and got it unboxed. Now, let's rip. We're going to get this thing started up. Finally quit raining and it's snowing. It snowed the last couple days, so now we are going to rip. Let's get at it.
Don't spill the liquid gold. That stuff's expensive.
Let's fill this bad boy up. Oh, we are good to go.
All right.
Let's get at it. Let's get ripping. Yeah, we got to tune it up a little bit.
Maybe it may be good.
It may be perfect. We don't know. That's what today is all about.
It's on
get this thing tuned in. We brought the GPS. We're going to stick that sucker on there too, see how fast it goes. Okay, it's time to start this thing up. We already got it filled up with fuel. We're going to throw the glow plug on here and get it started. Let's see what this thing can do. Leave the top off of it for now. We'll leave the body off for now so that way we can tune it.
Ease on.
Say
ease on it. You can't rip it.
I didn't. I barely even gave it any gas.
It's cold out.
Yeah, take it.
Maybe that's the problem.
Here we go. Real sluggish.
Yeah, it's rich.
It's real sluggish. It's not got a lot of get up and go. So we're gonna tune it up a little bit.
Getting better? All right, we're not
Oh yeah, a lot better.
We're not done with it. It still's got the mud sound. Bring it back over here. Bring it back over here.
Jimmy's my tuner. Here we go. Doesn't sound as good as a Baja. It's not too bad. I think we got it pretty much tuned in, so now we're gonna rip it a little bit. I'm gonna put the body back on it. We're gonna have some fun. See how this thing goes. Put the GPS unit on it. Just have some fun. Once everything dries up, we'll have to get this sucker on the track. We got a new track we want to try out sometime in the future, so stay tuned for that. So let's rip this. Look at that, rolling smoke. Oh yeah, sounds good.
All right, tater chip.
All right, here we go.
Let her rip.
Oh!
Now you gotta go get it again.
Dang it!
Alright.
32 is what we got right now. I still think it has more left in it. I don't think we're at top speed yet. But again, I think the wheels are so skinny, they just want to flip. So I'll get to get some wider wheels for it, tires. I think that's why it's flipping like that. It's so easy. You just start off and hit the gas and turn it and it goes blah. Hey, if you're not subscribed, you need to do that. Right now, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button because we got a lot of cool stuff coming up. We're going to be doing that 1K special subscriber video that we can't wait to do because we hit 1,000 subscribers. That's right, we beat our goal by a month, which we are so ecstatic about. So thank you to everybody that subscribed, but still 90% of everybody watching our videos are not subscribed. That's crazy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you like the content, and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss any future content coming up like these bad boys. We're having so much fun with these, so let's get back to the video. We're gonna take it over here in the grass and see if we can't give it a good jump. Everybody loves a good jump. No! Oh! Woo! Oh, yeah! That was better. That whole thing is a river. It's a lot of fun.
It's getting faster.
It is getting faster. It's definitely got some more torque than it didn't have at the beginning. I wish it could jump that. It's just, I don't know. I don't think it has just in the grass. I think it had some bigger tires that might be able to go. But it's still a lot of fun. The thing is, I flipped it like 2 or 3, 4 times. It just keeps on going. So it's a tough little booger. I like it. All right, we had Jimmy started.
Finally got this thing started. It's been a little while. I played with mine a little bit before Daniel got his. What are you doing?
Just making sure he can hear you.
Oh, you're like thrusting into me. Okay, so I played with mine before Daniel got his. It's been sitting for a while, and I finally got it running. But I got something. I got a different body.
The thing looks great.
So I got a different body, put stickers on it. I marked some I was going to put to where I can get to my fuel and my recoil, but I haven't cut them out. But I'm going to put this thing on. I'm going to give mine a run, get it broke in, and then Daniel, pan over there. See that hill over there? We're going to see if we could do a hill climb.
Yeah, and we might also race them too.
Yeah, we might also race them. But you put your GPS back on yours.
Yeah, I found a spot for the GPS, and we are going to see. I found a spot right there. Found a spot for the GPS, so we are going to see how fast this thing goes. Legit this time. We got it zeroed out for top speed, so now we're going to throw it back in there and see if we can see which one's faster. We're going to throw it in his next, see if his is faster or mine. His might just be broken in more than mine. I don't know. So here we go.
Hey, that run seems faster.
Yeah, I think it's just getting warmed up.
All right, let's check her.
$33 miles per hour. That's all she's got right now. Let's get yours running and throw this in it, and then we'll go do the hill climb.
Okay.
I want to see if his is faster. All right, we got the GPS zeroed out. Here we go. It's pretty high. Oh, good save.
Get that on camera?
Yeah, good save. All right, let's see what you got.
What'd it get?
Looks like we got some work to do on mine. 36. at 3 miles an hour or more.
Wait a minute, there, 30, wow, okay.
So mine just needs to be tweaked a little bit.
Well, mine broke in more too.
Yeah.
Or race them. Do you want to race them?
Yeah, we can race them.
All right.
Let's race them. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yours is definitely faster. Do this again. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we got.
Oh, I saved it.
You saved it. So just for the record, Jimmy has 3 extra tanks of gas ran through his for the burn-in process. So his is faster, mine might catch up, it may not, who knows. So let's race one more time.
It'll get there.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I think mine's, hey, that was a lot closer. Hey, let's do the hill climb. To hit the hill, we're gonna do this climb.
Wet.
It's wet, but it's gonna be fun. Let's do it. All right, we had a blast, but that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you liked the content. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. We got a lot of stuff planned, including that 1K video that's coming up, so don't miss that. So with that said, we're out of here. God bless you. God bless America. Be empowered out.